Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified. I'm back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually delete separate pages from your PDF document. Now let's say you want to delete the last page, for example. I'm going to show you how to do it. Now simply first off open up your browser. Now let's say you use Firefox, go down to ilovepdf.com. Now this will take you to the I Love PDF website. It's a website with a lot of PDF tools. It's very easy to use. Now here we go to all PDF tools and we go to remove pages. Now from the remove pages we simply select a PDF file or we drag it into the actual website. Now here we have two pages. Now let's say I wanted to delete one. Let's say I want to delete this one. I can actually press it and here pages to remove. It will remove page 2 and here remove the pages and it will give us a download for the PDF. I can simply press download PDF and it will be downloaded. And as you can see, it's only one page and that's it. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll try my very best to help you. If you still get any other questions, go ahead. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.